All right, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to learn about how to set up a video conference using Zoom. Now, I use this app very, very often. Pretty much anytime I record videos, I use the zoom.com. So what you have to do is you can type in zoom.com, right? ZOOM.com. It'll take you to the home page. From the home page, if you don't have an account, it'll show you where you can find one at. Here, let me try to pull up a new window where my login is not there, so I'll just use it incognito. Zoom.com. This is what it'll look like for you if you do not have an account. All right, and then all you do is click sign up for free, or sign up, it's free. And you'll enter in your email address. It does not need to be your work email address. Preferably, it's your personal email address, one that you actually use and you actually check. So you put in your email address there, and you'll click sign up, and it'll automatically send you an email to where it'll give you the access to the account. Now, once you have access to the account, this is what your format, where your platform will look like from that first page. And if you are a leader or if you're hosting a meeting, then you just click host a meeting with video on or with video off right here. You can click into my account, kind of shows you, you can change some of your preferences around, some of your settings and things like that. But for this, for this purpose of this, I'm going to host a meeting. That's usually what you'll be using. You'll either be hosting a meeting or joining a meeting. So hosting a meeting, all right, we're going to do it with video on. Just click that. All right, so from here we got host a meeting. These are some. All right, you got host a meeting. You can click with video on. And then you'll see the little extra screen pops up. Usually you'll see two screens. One, it'll show another screen like asking you what type of audio you're going to use. You just click with computer. It's a white box. It'll say, do you want to use with audio or without audio, or with computer audio or without computer audio? And you just click with computer audio. This is the main screen that you're going to be conducting your meeting from. Just a couple quick pointers here. Sometimes your video may not automatically come on. Your video may not automatically come on, so you're just going to click this tab here, and you'll actually click, with whatever camera you want to use, right? And same thing with the sound. You might not be able to hear, you might not be able to speak. So you're going to click here, and you're going to click what microphone you want to use. This is depending on however many microphones you have plugged in. You can select whatever microphone you want, and that's what it'll go with. So if you want to, again, we clicked on host a meeting. If you want to invite members, right, you just click on, it'll automatically be linked to whatever email address you signed up with. So you can just click that there, and then it'll automatically, it'll basically bring up a browser where you can type the email addresses that you want to invite, right? Or you can just simply copy the URL and then go to your email address, paste it in there, and then it'll give you everything. So I'll give you an example of what that looks like. Click on whatever you signed up with. All right, and it's going to bring up that screen, and you can just type in whatever email addresses you want to, and it'll automatically send out the invite to them. What shows on the invite, all this right here is what shows on the invite, and all they essentially have to do is click on the link that's provided. It'll turn into a hyperlink, so all the recipient needs to do is click on the link, and it'll automatically bring them to your chat room, so you guys can all chat that way. All right, let me X out of this. The other option is to join a chat room, join a meeting, right? Click on join a meeting. All right, and then remember that that link ID that you saw there. You just need the link ID. You can paste it in there, and it'll automatically join to whatever chat room of the person that's hosting it. So that last page that we saw with the email address, it showed the link, the hyperlink, and then it also showed a meeting ID down below. and all you do is just copy and paste that and put it in there, and you automatically can log into the account. So it's a pretty simple, quick, easy way to use Zoom. It's free. It's an easy way to communicate, and I like it. I use it very, very often. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know.